This is Good Morning San Diego.
So we're going to toss it over to Lauren because she's got some great ideas there with the guests.
Yeah, some Valentine's fun. Thanks, Francella. If you're still not sure what gift to give your loved one this Valentine's Day, or you want to do something a little more special, don't worry. Nicole Connerly, our SoCal savvy mom, is here with a few of those last-minute ideas. Nicole, this is fun.
Very fun.
Looks a little tasty. We're going to get to that, but first we're going to talk about sleeping because
yes,
I can appreciate the fact that you need good accessories to sleep well.
Absolutely. So this company is called Griffin, and if you just feel this, it's just so incredible.
Wow.
I mean, it's made with the world's best cotton. Actually, just really heightens your sleep experience, and they will actually send you 3 different types of their pillowcases for free. So you can decide for yourself which
like
one.
A trial.
Yeah, for a trial, for which one of theirs that you really want to.
And what's the difference between them?
So they have a bunch of different fabrics. So this one is actually the Easy, and it's just really nice. So it doesn't wrinkle, and
it's supposed to be like good for the hair, good for the
skin,
all that good stuff. So
absolutely.
You don't wake up like looking all crazy. That's happened. Okay.
The next gift idea is Shot Box, and what it does is it gives you 10 mini bottles from different distilleries around the country. And it's a monthly subscription. It's $30.
A monthly subscription?
A monthly subscription. So every month, and then they send you all these fun
the good times rolling.
cocktail ideas
that's
with
a good
them.
idea. Okay.
Exactly.
Well, that's good. So you can be creative. Maybe your loved one like to
Make
practice
some
being
cocktails.
bartenders. There you go. All right. Okay.
Absolutely.
That's cool. Shot box. Okay. Never seen that before.
And this is Cabo Fresh. So what better way to wake up on Valentine's Day morning but with some avocado toast. We made them into hearts just, to be festive.
And what's special about this avocado?
So it is
Guacamole,
100% hand-picked Haas avocados. Okay. So farm to table, perfect addition to your toast, or if you want to have chips, whatever you want to have.
I have to do like the taste test for our viewers here because I am a guacamole connoisseur.
It's great.
Very good.
Very good.
Passes the test. And I like the different flavors here. You have one.
Yeah, they have actually 6 different flavors.
Pardon me while I talk.
So there's one for everyone.
Okay.
All
right. I like it.
The next is the Ultimate Mega Boom 3 from T-Mobile. So it is actually waterproof and will float.
So you can just toss it in the pool. You
toss
still
it in
have
the
your
pool.
Entertainment.
Exactly.
Have Alexa order you some stuff online.
Anything.
Okay. That's a good idea. How much is that?
That is $199.
$199.
Yeah,
okay.
you can get it, online at T-Mobile.com.
And if your lady or gentleman is a coffee maker, this is a great idea.
Yes, I love VitaCup. They're also a local San Diego company.
Oh, that's great.
Yes. So what we did here was a fun Valentine's Day cocktail. It actually has the coffee in it. If you want to give it a try, you can.
Okay. All right. I'll do this. So what am I drinking again?
It's
like
called the
vitamin
Love. Yes,
infused?
the Love Buzz coffee drink.
Ooh.
There's alcohol in there, so.
Yeah, no, I got that. There is alcohol in there, but it's got a strong smell. So it's coffee infused.
There's coffee infused
alcohol.
with the vitamins, and there's
so it makes you feel good about.
And there's
drinking.
some raspberry puree in there, and
so you're getting your fruit. Lots of different food groups in
absolutely,
this
you really are.
Okay, and how much is the VitaCup?
The VitaCup, well, they're right here. They're like, it's for 16. It is $30 or $25.
$25 for boxes,
and it can go
flavors.
in.
Oh, and it has some have the MCT oil
Absolutely.
or the collagen boost, which is great, especially for the ladies.
Absolutely.
Okay, some great ideas. So these are last-minute ideas for your loved one. You can enjoy them together. I like this too, and of course, chocolate-covered strawberries. All right, Nicole Connerly giving us some good ideas. We're gonna have a link on our website at KUSI.com as well. I'm gonna enjoy this chocolate-covered strawberry. Allie, I'll send it back out to you.